Hello, good morning guys! It's me again, Jane Magante of Arisim Realty. Are you looking for an investment? A commercial building? An apartment? Parking space? Apartment? Or even farmland and a farmhouse? Currently earning a passive income. Well, it's all in here in my blog. Our property is located near Naik Municipal Hall, Naik Medicare, the stadium, public market, banks, and even school. Yes, napakagandang location ng ating property na to, guys. So, it's just few kilometers away from Bataan Cavite Interlink Bridge, if you're familiar with that. So, our property is located at Naik, Cavite. Yes, guys, along Antero Soriano Highway. And this is our property along Antero Soriano Highway. So, this is two-story commercial building. The ground floor has 3 stalls and the second floor is 2-bedroom residential. So, eto na po, atin po lahat yan kung nakikita nyo. And then, also the parking space. Ito po yung ating property. Total lot area is 1,760 square meter. Yan, napakaganda po nito guys for investment. O, let's check the house. So, eto yung ating balcony. Siyempre, ang view natin dito is yung main road. Ito yung Naik Cavite along Antero Soriano Highway. So, let's check. Ito yung ating living room. Fully furnished na po tayo dito. So, all are included. Okay. Aircon, may sofa, may TV. So, ang laki ng ating windows. Then, that is the main door. TV. Let's check the bedrooms. This is the bedroom 1. Laki guys ang ating kwarto dito. So, ayan. Kompleto na with cabinets. And bed. Aircon. This is the bedroom 2. Again with aircon, bed. Laki ng ating dalawang bedroom dito. And this is the common toilet and bath. Ang ganda ng ating toilet and bath guys. Inayos niya para kang naka-condominium dito, 'di ba? So, ayan, ang ganda pa rin ng bahay. So, while andito ka nakatira, your residential house, sa baba, meron kang income dahil may 3 stores doon sa baba. So, this is our kitchen with cabinets. Ayan, okay. Ito yung daan. Siyempre ng ating property. And then dito, ayan, pwede ka pang mag-parking dyan or even extension ng house mo. Yan, ito po yung mga parking space. Kung nakita may mga car, binabayaran din po yan. May earnings din po yung ating mga parking space. So, let's check the apartment. It is 8 units apartment. So, we will check one of the unit dito sa ating apartment. We will check the 2-bedroom units. talagang may earnings po talaga itong property na to. So, eto yung ating 2-bedroom unit. Yan, this is the bedroom 1. And the bedroom 2. And this is the bedroom 2. Medyo hindi na po pinasok kasi sa ngayon may tenant po dito. So, this is the kitchen. Maluwang naman para sa family. So, for now, parang ang rentals nito is it 6,000 or 5,000? Yes, pero for sure, syempre, merong income ang ating building. So, eto, meron ka ng bahay, meron ka pang business, apartment, and yung mga paupahan sa baba na commercial. Okay? So, napakaganda ng ating property na to, guys. Kompleto na. May bahay ka na, may business ka pa. Okay? So, ano pa yung hinihintay nyo? If you're interested, message nyo lang ako or call me. So, bababa tayo. Tingnan pa natin yung isang meron tayong farmhouse dito. Ito yung ating space. So, yung ating mga may space pa dito for parking. Pwede silang mag-rent ng parking space dun sa side na nakita natin, 'di ba? So, pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa ating farmhouse. Ayan. All-in-one talaga tayo dito, guys. Wow. Mango trees, diba? Wow. So, meron tayo dyang ayan, meron tayong farmhouse. So, ito yung house. This is 1-bedroom unit. Para lang pahinahan lang nila to, guys, nung owner. Kasi lalo na nag-pandemic, dito sila talaga nag-i-stay. Siyempre, mas tahimik kasi dito sila sa likod. Tapos may mga puno, o diba? Ito bali yung farmhouse natin na pahingahan nila. Very nice, diba? Hindi naman siya bahay kubo, pero siyempre maganda na to as bahay, diba? 1-bedroom house. Made of wood. Karamihan sa kanyang materials. Made of wood and yan yung window niya. Syempre salamin. Okay, this property is really a good investment. Okay, let's recap. This is located at Naik, Cavite along Antero Soriano Highway. Just few kilometers away from Bataan, Cavite Interlink Bridge. Lot area is 1,760 square meters with commercial and residential building, 8 units apartment, and farm lot with rest house. Price is 30,000 per square meter, including all the buildings and house. Okay, if you're interested on this property, just message or call me on my contact details shown on the screen. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now para po ma-notify kayo every time we have new videos. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.